What's going on, peoples? I want to show you guys this wireless Android Auto wireless Apple CarPlay adapter for your vehicle. This is a Lamtto RC26 portable car video box CarPlay adapter. Comes with navigation, Play Store to download extra apps. It can do regular Bluetooth music, online videos. That is the model number RC26. You can get this for under $100. This is a OEM wired connection that will transfer it into a wireless signal. So this supports, I'm so sorry I'm reading this so slow, supports converting factory wired CarPlay and Android Auto into a wireless one. This does have built-in YouTube, Netflix, Disney Plus, TikTok, and whatever else you want to download. It does come with screen mirroring, so you don't have to use the mobile data or your hotspot to connect stuff. You can just mirror it to the radio screen. And as I stated, it supports regular Bluetooth, USB flash drive. It supports HDMI. So if you have an Android, I'm not sure about iPhones, you can have a Type-C port to a HDMI port and just plug it right in there. You have USB-A on this side with a HDMI, and then you have Type-C. And it comes with a SIM ejection tool, so that you can press right there in those two holes to switch it from Apple CarPlay to Android Auto. You get your book, your instruction book, pretty much telling you how to set up everything and what does what. QR code for your support. It comes with a USB-A to USB-C and a USB-C to USB-C. And there's not much in here. Like I said, just giving you the rundown of everything. As you can see, green for CarPlay, blue for Android, over-the-air online updates, HD port, HDMI port. It's just giving you the rundown of how to connect everything, but generally, you would just plug it into your USB and plug this in, and as you can see, it's very small, so it's going to be out of the way. Literally just put it right down there. This is a Nissan Sentra. Then it's going to pop up on your screen. You can press right here and it pops right up. So from left to right, we have regular Bluetooth audio, excuse me. We have our Wi-Fi signal, our Bluetooth, Netflix, YouTube, Apple, Android Auto, settings, Bluetooth music again, if you want to connect it. If you haven't had the device connected, you can tap that and connect it through there. And then we have our phone. This button goes back to the cars menu. Our Google Play Store, offline videos, Apple Music, and all of our apps. YouTube, System Upload, Google, Netflix, File Explorer. We can change the color of our LED. I'm going to switch it to green, blue, light blue, purple, and it's on night mode right now, so it's not as bright. There we go. Go back to all apps, Disney Plus, Bluetooth music, Apple Music, the App Store, Prime Video. Now, like I said, you have to run your mobile data to get this to obviously show you stuff. It's just not going to connect, you know. But look at how quickly it's moving. It's not even, there's no slowdown. It's moving pretty fast. The sound does work. Maybe I'll go back to Disney because it has a boot up sound. No. Okay. Anyway, let's go through the settings. Wi-Fi connection, Bluetooth, language, application. You can change your date and time, connect your Google account, connect your hotspot. It has 32 gigabytes of onboard storage. That is the Bluetooth name. Or it will say AiBox. Not this, but that. Go back. We can change our theme. We can download more themes so we can change this. If you're looking at this white dot, that's the cursor. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just the cursor. Go to other. Changing our video definition. We can change what app we want to start up whenever we boot it up. We have AI voice assistant, which is Google Gemini, and that's about it. We have our YouTube. Everything boots up quickly though, man. Look at that. Look at that, man. You click on the app and it goes to it, you know? Go to TikTok. It goes right to it. Especially after you have already loaded it up. Goes to it in no time. There goes our screen mirroring. Look how many apps. I done pretty much clicked on every app and it's like, it's going right to it. So as you can see, it's pretty quick. Now, you can obviously just play music like this. You don't have to have this screen open unless you know you want your own background and want this all customized. If you don't like how the Nissan stuff looks, you know, that's what this is for. You don't like how the Toyota stuff look, the Land Rover stuff look, the Ford stuff look, you know, you can have this, customize your own stuff. And this thing's gonna last you a minute. It's gonna be out of the way because it's pretty small, and it's not gonna be overheating or anything. Look at the thickness, look at the vents that it has on it. A lot of these wireless devices do overheat, and that's my main complaint. But I have a good feeling that this one will not be doing that. But other than that, under $100, you get all of this stuff, customizing your background, customizing your screen, watching videos, Android Auto, regular Bluetooth. And if you don't care to have this, you can always have it connected, but just have the default Nissan screen back there. So I recommend this. Like I said, under $100. Comes with everything that you need, connects quickly. As you can see, it moves quickly. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.